Okay.
So what it does is it neutralizes the engine trim, goes to 0, and then that's full left. And it's about 1500 RPM. And that's a 0 turn. I mean, look at this.
Sure. Yeah, we're pivoting on its own center.
Yep. And then just pull back. I don't want to get it full of water, but
Right.
do the boost. Which I've never really. I think I've only needed it once with the wind.
Mm-hmm.
And then this is boost, and I'm doing it's 1700. I want to say it'll go to 18. I think. But again, it's a 0 turn. And then, shoot, let me go forward. About 13, 14. I'm doing 6, 7. Doing about 7 knots with the joystick.
Nice.